Are you settling for a standard room you booked online? It's a common practice, but what if a more spacious suite was attainable with a simple, polite request? Every night, hotels often have unoccupied premium rooms. These upgrades are not typically given at random. They are often extended to guests who know how to ask effectively. This guide will provide you with a clear word-for-word script that you can use at any hotel to improve your chances of securing a better room. Hi everyone, my name is Armin and welcome to the Hospitality Lounge.
Hospitality Lounge.
Many travelers book a standard room, check in, and proceed to their room without considering other possibilities. They might walk past expensive suite doors assuming they are reserved for an exclusive clientele. This mindset often means leaving significant value and comfort untapped. The key is to understand the hotel's business model. A hotel is a business, and an empty premium room represents a lost revenue for that night, a loss that can never be recovered. There is where an opportunity for the informed traveler arises. Recognizing this simple fact can shift your approach and results, transforming a standard stay into a memorable one, often at no additional cost. It's possible to go from a small room overlooking a service area to a top-floor room with a panoramic view. Here is a central strategy. Hotels are often willing to provide complimentary upgrades. A positive guest experience can lead to excellent reviews and repeat business. The primary obstacle is that most guests hesitate to inquire. This guide provides a three-step framework to confidently and politely position yourself as a prime candidate for these available upgrades. This approach is not about being demanding, it's about being strategic, courteous, and prepared. Step 1. The pre-arrival email. Your strategy for a complimentary upgrade begins before you arrive. An effective tool is a polite email sent 3 to 5 days prior to your stay. Very few guests do this, which allows your request to be seen by management before the busy check-in period. Waiting until you are in a long line to ask a busy front desk agent is a less effective approach. Use a clear subject line, upcoming stay for, your last name, confirmation number that you have. You can adopt the following template for the body of the email. Dear hotel name team, my name is your name and my partner and I are looking forward to our upcoming stay with you from 1st to 3rd of December. We choose your hotel specifically because of the reputation for stunning views, excellent service, central location. This trip is special for us as we are celebrating our anniversary or birthday. I understand that this is entirely subject to availability, but if there is any possibility of a complimentary upgrade to a room with a better view on a higher floor, it would make our celebration truly memorable. Our confirmation number is blah blah blah, and my loyalty number is, if you have any, added here. Thank you for your time and consideration. We are excited to experience your property. Sincerely, your name. This script is effective because it is polite, making responsible requests, and provides all necessary information, making it easy for the hotel staff to assist you. This single step can set your request apart. Step 2. The check-in script. Whether or not you sent a pre-arrival email, your interaction at the check-in desk is crucial. A positive and respectful demeanor is key, as a front desk staff often interact with stressed travelers. Being a pleasant guest can make them more willing to accommodate your request. Approach the desk with a smile. Hi, I'm checking under the name Armin. Allow them to begin the check-in process on their computer. Then you can make your inquiry. If you sent the email, you can say, I sent an email a few days ago, but I want to gently follow up to see if any complimentary upgrades might be available for our anniversary. If you did not send an email, try this. I was just wondering if there might be any complimentary upgrades available tonight. We are celebrating our birthday, and any gesture you could make to enhance our stay would be greatly appreciated. The language is courteous and non-demanding. Phrases like wondering, might, and complimentary frame it as a polite question, not a demand. Mentioning a special occasion provides a clear reason for them to offer an upgrade? The last step, sometimes the answer will be no, perhaps due to the hotel being fully booked. Your response in this situation is important. If you are informed that no upgrades are available, do not express disappointment. Instead, maintain a positive attitude. Smile and say, "Thank you for checking for me, I appreciate it. We are simply excited to be here." This response is powerful because it leaves a lasting positive impression. While a suite might not be available, the agent may be inclined to find you the best available room in your booked category, such as a corner room or recently renovated one. They might also offer a different amenity as a gesture of goodwill. Furthermore, if a premium room becomes available due to the last-minute cancellation, your positive interaction will be remembered. With the script in hand, here are a few additional tips to improve your chances. Timing is important. Avoid check-in during the peak hours of 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Consider check-in later in the evening, when the front desk has a clearer picture of which premium rooms are unoccupied for the night. Leverage loyalty programs. Enroll the hotel's free loyalty program. These memberships often place you higher on the list of potential upgrades. Member of programs like Hilton Honor or Marriott Bonvoy with elite status may even receive automatic room upgrades based on availability. Book directly. Book your stay through the hotel's official website rather than a third-party aggregator. Hotels have a higher profit margin on direct bookings and are often more inclined to reward those guests with upgrades. Also, consider booking one category above the most basic room, as it can be an easier and more logical jump for the hotel to upgrade you to a suite. The power of short stays. Upgrades are more frequently granted for shorter stays of 1 or 2 nights, as it's a lower risk proposition for a hotel to offer a high-value suite for a short duration. Be open to paid upgrade. If the complimentary upgrades isn't available, the hotel may offer a significant discount on a paid one. This can still represent excellent value and provide access to a superior room for a fraction of its standard price. You now have a clear blueprint for elevating your hotel experiences. When you successfully use this strategy to secure an upgrade, I encourage you to return and share your experience in the comments. I enjoy reading about your successes. And if this guide was helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching Hospitality Lounge. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Hospitality Lounge.